Hey everyone, welcome back to Spec Dossier, the channel where we break down the latest tech and help you make smarter choices before you hit buy. Today, we're diving deep into the Poco X7 Pro, a phone that's been making waves in the mid-range market. We'll cover everything from design and display to performance, cameras, battery, software, and value. So stick around because you might be surprised at just how much this device packs for the price. Right off the bat, the Poco X7 Pro impresses with its design. It has a plastic build with flat matte sides that make it comfortable to hold, while the glossy back gives it a premium feel. Though yes, fingerprints can be a little annoying. The weight leans slightly toward the top, but overall, it's ergonomic and easy to use. Plus, with IP68 water and dust resistance, it's built to survive the occasional splash or dusty commute, something that mid-range phones don't always offer. Now, let's talk display, because this is where the X7 Pro really shines. You get a 6.67-inch AMOLED screen with a crisp resolution and 120 Hz refresh rate. That means scrolling, animations, and gaming all feel silky smooth. Colors are vibrant thanks to HDR10+, and high peak brightness keeps the screen readable even in bright sunlight. Whether you're binge-watching shows, scrolling TikTok, or gaming, this screen is a pleasure to look at. Performance-wise, the Poco X7 Pro punches well above its weight. The MediaTek Dimensity 8400 Ultra chipset, paired with up to 12 GB of RAM and UFS 4.0 storage, handles demanding apps, multitasking, and gaming with ease. Games run smoothly, apps launch quickly, and everyday tasks feel snappy. Honestly, in this price range, it's hard to find a phone that delivers this level of speed and consistency. The camera system is solid but not flawless. The 50MP main sensor with OIS captures detailed photos, and the 8MP ultra-wide lens adds versatility. Selfies are sharp thanks to the 20MP front camera, and video recording supports 4K at 60 frames per second. Daylight shots are great, but low-light performance can feel a little average. Still, for most users, the cameras deliver exactly what you'd need for social media and everyday photography. Battery life is another highlight. With a 6,000 mAh cell, the X7 Pro can easily last a day or two, even under heavy use. And if you're in a hurry, the 90W HyperCharge can take the battery from 0 to full in about 42 minutes. Super convenient for anyone who hates waiting around for a charge. On the software side, the phone runs Android 15 with HyperOS 2.2, providing a smooth, clean interface. Poco promises 3 years of updates, which is huge if you plan to keep this phone for a while. Add in features like stereo speakers, an under-display fingerprint sensor, and IP68 protection, and you've got a package that's hard to beat at this price point. When it comes to value, the Poco X7 Pro starts at around €369.99. Considering what you're getting, amazing performance, gorgeous display, long-lasting battery, and decent cameras, it's a serious contender in the mid-range segment. Users love the smooth performance, excellent battery life, and fast charging, though the camera system isn't flagship level and the glossy back can get a little messy. Overall, the Poco X7 Pro is a mid-range powerhouse that punches above its weight, delivering flagship-like performance without the flagship price. If you want speed, a great display, long battery life, and a solid everyday experience, this phone deserves a close look. That's it for today's deep dive here on Spec Dossier. If you found this breakdown helpful, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming reviews. Drop a comment below if you've used the Poco X7 Pro or are thinking about it. We love hearing your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.